How to manage chroma key on CapCut app. Hello guys, so what you have to do is simple. Go to CapCut. As you can see right here, this is the home page. Now you can upload a new video from your gallery from here, or just choose from your drafts like me. I already have this video, so I'm gonna choose this video. Now go down, click on edit, and now swipe right until you find chroma key right here, as you can see. And now you will be able to remove any color you want. For example, I'm gonna choose this red color and click save. Okay, click here. As you can see, it's so easy to use and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later.